Hi, I'm Coach Cheryl from the Bellingham office, and Roxanne's here with me. We are going to make a delicious apple cinnamon cream pie for you. So, as you can see, the apple cinnamon that you all buy for breakfast and the vanilla pudding shake is what we're using. So I'm going to start out with the crust, which would be the apple cinnamon oatmeal. Pour it in the bowl. Which I prepared in advance, an egg white and a tablespoon of water. We're going to stir it up to make our crust. And what's good about all this is most of the recipes you can make like in 20 minutes. So it's not difficult. It's just do it, make it, and enjoy it. We want you to have different things besides just strictly oatmeal out of the box. We want you to have lots of ideas and to keep you on track, keep you going. That's our main goal. Keep you happy and reach your goal. So there we have that. There's a little plate to put the pie crust in and press it down if you don't want to use your fingers, for those of us that have nails. So I'm going to press it down and press it up on the sides also to make sure that the filling has some place to go to. So that's done. We'll move that out of our way. While your oven is also preheated to 375 to make 2 pies. I just made 1 crust just to show you because we already have the finished product here, as you can see. Delicious. So now for the filling. I'm going to take a packet of the vanilla pudding along with 4 ounces of water. Put it in the shaker bottle. Make sure you get everything shook up good so that you get all the ingredients. With our handy dandy shaker bottles that we have. Take it up. From there, I will pour that into the pie crust. And this is the finished product, but we're not finished. Now comes the fun part. We are going to make the marshmallow topping. And for that, as I said, see how easy it is? You're going to want to do this. So, I'm going to the 2 tablespoons of marshmallow dip, which you can also get here at the office. Got to be Walden Farms. We don't want the sugary product. It smells good. So there's that with 1 egg white. Zip zoom. Put on your little blender. It's going to be like a meringue, light and fluffy. Everyone in the house is going to want it, and you're going to say, "It's mine." Okay, I started low, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit so that it doesn't take all our time making the topping. Okay, so then I'm going to grab my little spoon, and here's the finished product after we baked it. The crust, the filling, smells good, it's going to be good. And then topping on top. Makes it extra yummy. So I'll put it on both. I'm not going to completely do it, but I'm just giving you the idea of what the finished product is going to look like. Because I don't want to take your time because you're going to want to get busy in making it. So there you go. Wonderful, yummy apple cinnamon cream pies. Enjoy!